Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of enabling recording on Google Meet. Mastering this feature is essential in our modern digital world, whether you are managing business conferences, participating in online education, or hosting virtual meetups with family. Google Meet is a primary tool for staying connected, and knowing how to record your sessions is incredibly useful for future reference, developing training guides, or simply saving memorable moments. Your journey starts on the official Google Meet website, so launch your browser and head there now. If you haven't signed in yet, take a moment to log in using your Google account credentials. This serves as your key to all Google services, including Meet. Once you are on the main page, find the button labeled New Meeting. Click it to open a menu with several choices, and from there, select Start an Instant Meeting. This will immediately open a new session and bring you directly into the meeting interface. Now, let's look at the settings. Move your attention to the bottom right area of the screen to find a shield icon known as Host Controls. A single click will open a side panel containing various management options. Inside this panel, you need to find and click on Host Management. This is a vital step, as it reveals the specific permissions you can toggle to customize the meeting environment according to your needs. While the exact recording button may appear differently depending on your setup, you would typically find the record option within these host settings or on the main control bar. Please be aware that the ability to record is usually limited to specific account types, such as Google Workspace for education, business, or enterprise editions. If you are using a standard personal account, you may find that this feature is not available. It is always helpful to verify your account status to understand which features you can access. This concludes our guide on how to allow recording in Google Meet. You are now ready to capture your important lectures and conversations to watch later. Happy recording, and stay connected until next time.